Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham and Solihull. Now we now start with Chris Ferroli. The central heating isn't working, but the hot water is. So in this video, we're gonna hopefully diagnose the problem and repair it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
I was told you know my mum.
Which one?
Mum was Aslam.
Where does he live?
Whole Green.
Oh yeah. Right guys, unfortunately the hot water was working fine, but the heating also. I had to loop the clock. Thankfully the circuit board's alright. I know it's got some burn marks and anything, but it seems like it's working, and the 100% heating is working. So I'm gonna give 5 minutes, but then I could put the case cover on and I'll be out of here. Right guys, central heating is working fine, and that's your flow pipe there, this one. Nice and warm, yeah, well hot. So right guys, short film on this one is a Ferroli boiler. The hot water was working fine on it, but the heating wasn't. So I checked it out. First thing I went for is a room stat. They don't have a room stat. So the clock, I checked the clock out just in case they've got the wrong settings on. That was fine. So what I've done is loop the clock. Once I looped the clock, central heating came on. There was suspicion either it's a clock or the circuit board. But as soon as I looped the clock, the central heating came on. So thankfully the circuit board's fine on it. Well, in their own time, whenever they're ready, they can just change the clock. I'll come back and change the clock from. For now, they can just control it from here. It's not convenient, but it's the way it is till they get a new clock. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Guys, I just repaired the Ferroli boiler, and the good gentleman wants to give me a video review. So kind of him. Here you go.
Hello everyone. My boiler's hot water was working, but the central heating wasn't working. But I had few people coming in. They said it could be anything wrong. It could cost me £500 or something. He just came in, did the job within like 5 minutes, and he was just amazing. I would definitely recommend him. Definitely should try him out.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
Right guys, I know that was a short film on that Ferroli. Now basically the customer phoned me and said they've got hot water but no heating. So I went down, first thing I did is test the hot water. The hot water was working fine. It was okay. Fired up, the water was getting warmer and warmer. So that eliminated that. So the hot water was okay. But the heating, now when the hot water is working fine, basically I thought, okay, the fan's fine, the air pressure is fine, all the rest, the gas valve's fine. There's no diverter valve on these, so there's no point checking that. The only thing that was in my mind is the clock. And if it's not the clock, which 90% of it is, it is the clock. But if it ain't the clock, then the thermistor, the central heating thermistor, or the PCB. So anyway, I played around with the clock, wouldn't come on, wouldn't fire it up. So what I did is I looped it. Once I looped it, the boiler fired up. So I told the customer, you got a faulty clock. When you order a new one, I'll come back, order a new one, and I'll sort that problem out. But for till then, I'll just loop it for you, so you got heating and heating. And they said, okay, that's fine. So that worked fine. That worked out okay. They've had a couple of other engineers out. Unfortunately, they gave them a quote of about £400-500. Don't know what for, but I suppose it was just a simple fix. So anyway, they get a clock, I'll come back and I'll sort it out for them. So obviously there'll be charges for coming out again, but for now it's all done and working fine. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.